This is a video that shows two options for helping you learn students' names, and the second one could also allow students to get to know each other a bit. This one is called Intros. I learned about this from Susan Nolan. You give students a web page to go to where they upload a video. You can ask them to use their preferred name. I've used it to ask about pronouns, what the highlight of their break was. And then what's great is that you can turn these into flashcards and you shuffle it and you can get to know who people are. So the roster on Blackboard is nice, but students, I find, don't often look like their ID. So this is at least what they look like at the beginning of your class. I can start to type and it's telling me I'm doing okay. I can ask for a hint. That might give me the cue that I need. And if I really don't know, I can press reveal. When I get it right, it'll tell me that I got it. So I find this very helpful, I think, especially in the fall, if you're only going to see half the students at a time in person. And I think knowing students' names is one of those things that makes them feel really like they belong in a course. The downside to this is students won't be able to see it and quiz themselves on each other. So for that, you might want to use something like Flipgrid. Now, I'll admit I have not used this as effectively, but I know a lot of people do. I learned about this at a workshop in TLTC last summer. But this is basically meant for students. Here's a demo page that I created. You can ask students to go ahead, I don't know what this is doing, and say hello, right? So students will be able to go in here and record a response. It's going to load up my screen. And you can, again, ask students to make a video of themselves, introduce themselves. What are you excited about for this class? That's fine. I've allowed this in the past. Retry. I predict that this will not work when I'm trying to also use Zoom at the same time. So anyways, I would recommend looking at Flipgrid. Give your students an assignment for some videos to create. And I know people have also used this for group work, working together on different activities. So intros will help you learn your students' names, which I struggle with greatly. And so this has been very helpful to learn them quickly. And Flipgrid can help you make videos. Good luck, everyone.